When you get to the point where your YouTube channel is almost fully automated, meaning you have the scriptwriter, you have the voice actor, and you have the video editor, the last thing to do is completely streamline it where you don't have to transfer one file to the next guy and then that file to the next guy. And that's what Trello.com is for. This is what I'm on right now, Trello.com. It's a completely free thing to use, and it's awesome. It's completely awesome. It completely streamlines your entire process. So normally, if you're using Fiverr, you would have to message your scriptwriter writes the script, and then you have to grab that file, and then you have to send that file to your voice actor. And then once he records the audio, then you have to grab that file and send it to your video editor. And it just creates a little bit more work for you. Even though it's easy work, it gets annoying, and like sometimes you forget, and it just kind of slows down the entire process. That's why if you have a streamline with Trello, it's 10 times easier. Let me show you exactly what I mean. But before I move forward, obviously if you're talking to your voice actor, scriptwriter, video editor on Fiverr, you have to kind of take them off of Fiverr somehow and kind of bring them to Trello. And Fiverr's not going to like that. If you're trying to get your voice actor, video editor, and scriptwriters, anybody you're working with off of Fiverr, Fiverr's not going to like that. I've actually gotten banned with multiple accounts because I tried doing that. And when you're actually messaging people on Fiverr, if you use certain words like email or Instagram or payment, things like that, it triggers a flag to the Fiverr service team, and they actually come and check it out. And if they see that you're trying to pull someone off of Fiverr, then they're actually going to ban your account. So be cautious with the words you use in terms of trying to convince one of the Fiverr freelancers to come off of Fiverr. Now, also, when you're messaging a Fiverr guy or a Fiverr freelancer and you want some work for them, don't message them right away to come off of Fiverr, because if you've never done work with them, they're not going to trust you. If anything, they're going to block you. It's happened to me multiple times. I learned the hard way. What I ended up doing is you have to work with them a few times. You have to give them a few projects. And after they've done those few projects, not only have you tested them, but now they're comfortable with you, you're comfortable with them, and just let them know why you're pulling them off of Fiverr. Let them know that you use a system called Trello that's super organized and is just streamlines everything, and also let them know that you can provide them long-term work so they feel safe with you. And also always let them know that you'll provide them payment before any work is done, so there's no risk for them, right? Okay, great. So you got that figured out. You pulled all your guys off of Fiverr, and you want them to invite them to your Trello board. This is what it is right here, Trello board. By the way, you invite them by clicking this invite button. You say add to team, and then you basically just click manage or whatever, and then click add to team. And then essentially what you'll be able to do is actually invite them. You can create the invite link, or you can just type in their email address and send it to them. Normally I just copy the link and send it to them, and then they just come and join. It's super easy. Okay, now you got your whole team on here. Now it's time to set up the different sections to get this streamlined. So essentially what you want to do is you click add a list. This is how I do it. First I have the scriptwriter, which is the first in the whole line of the automation. Scriptwriter. Cool. And now we have the voice actor, right? And we have the video editor, and then we'll have a section that's called done, which means like the completed video will be over here. So if you have multiple voice actors and multiple scriptwriters, like we can have voice, we can do, let's see, voice actor 2, and then we can drag this right here. So now we have 2 voice actors. Now you can do more scriptwriters, more video editors, whatever. But just to make things simple, I'm going to archive this list, and we have this full streamlined right here. So, oh, and also a section I recommend adding is brainstorm. So essentially this section is going to be kind of like there are ideas that you're on edge with, you're not sure if you really want to move forward with, so you just leave them in that section, and then over time you can decide if you want to drag them over to the next guy. So essentially what you do is now that you have these sections, you can actually add a card, and over here like you can put your video topics, so the title of your video, which is, for example, this one's going to be, let's say, like 10 fastest animals in the world. So now you have this little thing over here. Now what you can do is you can click on it, you can add a description to it, you can write parameters for your team to follow. For example, if you wanted a certain animal in the video, or if you wanted to leave a certain topic, or a certain idea within the video out or in, you can literally just type it over here, tell your voice actor, or tell your video scriptwriter anything, right? And essentially what you do is, so let's say you have the video topic ready, and also what I recommend doing is uploading your target thumbnail within uh, this this thing right here. So essentially, this card, I call these cards. So like this thing right here now is card, a card. So you can also attach files. So you come over here, you click attachment, and then you can go to Google Drive, computer, Trello, whatnot. So we're just gonna go to my computer. We're gonna grab a random photo. We're just gonna grab let's see, just trying to find a photo. Like what photo can I use? Monkeys in space. We'll do this photo right here. Thought this was a funny photo. So when you upload a photo to your card, it becomes a thumbnail. Look at this little monkey. So it becomes a thumbnail. So now you can see what the video is about, and also you tell your scriptwriter, hey, whatever the thumbnail is, make sure you include that thumbnail in the video. And that's important because if your thumbnail shows something but it's not in the video, your viewers could get upset. So definitely tell your scriptwriter to be cautious of that. So let's say you have a bunch of video ideas in your brainstorm and you're like, okay, like I want to move forward with the brainstorm idea, with the idea. What you do is you can literally drag the card under or up to the scriptwriter's section. And the goal is to, when your scriptwriter sees a video card in his section, the idea is he has to start writing it now. Like anytime there's a video card in his section, he needs to start writing. Next, as soon as he's done writing the script, you could also, on top of this video or photo, now attach a script, like a document, it could be Microsoft Word, it could be Google Doc, whatever. They can upload it here, and as soon as they upload it, then they would grab that and they would drag it to voice actor. This is not you doing it, this is them doing it. It's their job now. So then the voice actor, he sees that, oh shoot, there's a video card in my section. There's a video card in my section. That means it's time for me to click on it, click on the script, and then record an audio narration of the script. Now, when your voice actor is done with it, they can't, so if the file that they want to upload is more than 10 megabytes, they can't upload it to the card. They would have to go on Google Drive, upload it to Google Drive, and then share the link and copy and paste the link right here. You know what I mean? So if you wanted to actually be able to upload a file over 10 megabytes to this Trello right here, this card, you would actually get the pro version. And I don't even use the pro version. I just think it's ridiculous. I just have it uploaded to Google Drive and then the link pasted over here. So then once your voice actor does that, they move it to the video editor. Video editor would obviously edit the video, and same idea, the video is obviously going to be more than 10 megabytes, so they would also upload it to Google Drive or even email it to you. And then once they do that, they drag it to done, and then boom, you're done. You have a video ready to upload. Isn't that great? That is completely automated. You literally come up with an idea, you just throw an idea in the loop, and you get out a completed video. It goes through the entire team, and then you get a video. And obviously, it may not be a bad idea, so when you have the video in the brainstorm section, to have a graphics artist actually designing it. And you can even incorporate your graphics artist in your Trello, but normally I don't because I like to come up with the thumbnails myself. So guys, that's the idea of Trello. It's amazing. It really streamlines everything. It makes it so easy. Also, these lists can go down to like the very bottom. Like they can go really far. And they also could go really to the right. Like it's unlimited. You can put as many cards as you want. So yeah, that's that. Use Trello. You'll thank me later.